Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about my favorite subject, index funds. One of the best investment, if not the best investment in the world that you can make for your future is investing in index funds. So what is an index fund? According to Investopedia, an index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange traded fund, an ETF, with a portfolio constructed to match the components of a financial market index, such as the S&P 500. To simplify it, this is an index fund that they created to match or track the S&P 500. So everything that the S&P 500 has, most likely you're going to find in that index fund with the same percentage, the same weight, give or take. You'll even find the returns of the index fund and the S&P 500 pretty identical. There are very, very minor differences in the returns. So you'll see the track of up and down, they're pretty much the same. We owe all of this to the father of index investing, Jack Bogle. Jack has created the first index fund investment for individual investors. He really stood behind this concept until it gained popularity, and now it became pretty much a norm where you can find an index fund pretty much in every brokerage firm around us. What Jack really did, he drove down the cost of the mutual fund across the whole industry. He also founded his company Vanguard, which is very popular, one of the largest brokerage firms in the world, which Vanguard follows his philosophy to keep the expense ratios at minimum for investors, which is great. One of the best ways to get a high return on your investment is to keep your expenses at minimum. Index funds basically offer diversified holdings and with low fees that will help you keep more of your money, more of your gain into your account, and that will compound even faster. Index funds are so popular because they offer you great diversification. You can own multiple stocks in multiple companies, low risk and low fees. That's why many investors, especially beginners, they find that investing in index funds, it's way better than buying individual stocks. You'll get more return, less fees, and your money is going to be compounded even more. Index funds are basically the core of every single retirement account portfolio where you have in a 401k or an IRA, you'll find index funds in almost every single one of these accounts. The legendary investor Warren Buffett has recommended investing in index funds over and over and over again. Rather than picking out individual stocks, he recommended that the average investor to invest his money into the index funds, the S&P 500 as a whole, with low fees, very minimum that you have to put down every single time you want to invest. So what makes the S&P 500 so popular, especially among investors? Number one, the attractive returns. Like all stocks, the S&P 500 will fluctuate, will go up and down, but overall it has provided 10% annually in returns pretty much over the last decade. The second reason is diversification. Investors like index funds because they offer immediate diversification. The minute you purchase or invest in an index fund, you're immediately owning multiple companies at multiple sectors. That will ease the headache that you don't have to pick, whether you want to invest in Facebook or Apple or Tesla or Google or whatever that is. All of these companies are going to be in the index fund. The third reason is lower risk. Because they are diversified, investing in an index fund is actually lower risk for you than owning few individual stocks, whether it's Tesla or Google or whatever it is. That does not mean that you cannot lose money investing in an index fund, but it'll definitely fluctuate a lot less than owning an individual stock. And the fourth and the last reason is low cost. Index funds charge very little fees with a very low expense ratio. I'll show you the numbers shortly. So let's talk about the top 5 index funds that you can invest in right now. The first one is Vanguard's 500 index fund. Ticker symbol is VFIAX. This is by far the best index fund. It is also one of the first that was created for individual investors. It has an extremely low expense ratio, 0.04%. That basically means you're paying $4 per year for every $10,000 invested. That's dirt cheap. The second one is Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Fund. And as the name implies, zero, it has zero expense ratio. This fund doesn't officially track the S&P 500. It basically follows the US Large Cap Index Fund, but you really cannot tell the difference. It's just the naming. Fidelity basically chose not to use the name S&P 500 into the index fund name just to avoid paying licensing fees. The money saved by not paying for licensing fees is passed down to the investors, to the customers. The ticker symbol for that one is FNILX. The third one is Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund. This fund has a strong record going back to 1997, and it's sponsored by Charles Schwab, one of the most respected names in the industry. Charles Schwab is basically known for its laser focus making investor-friendly products. You can also tell by the very low expense ratio. This one has 0.02%, which basically means you're paying $2 per year for every $10,000 invested. The ticker symbol for that one is SWPPX. The fourth one is also very popular, is Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index Fund. This one tracks the performance of the total US stock market index fund, which represents approximately 100% of investable securities in the US. This includes large, mid, small, and even micro cap, which you can find there traded on the New York Stock Exchange and on NASDAQ. Again, the expense ratio for this one is also low. It's 0.04%, and again, that would be $4 every year for $10,000 invested. Ticker symbol for that one is VTSAX. And last but not least, Vanguard's Total World Index Fund. This basically you want to invest in if you want broader diversification than just the S&P 500, because the S&P 500 is only focused on US equities. This fund has US equities and international equities. It tracks the performance of well-established and developing markets. It currently has an allocation of 59% North America, 17% Europe, 12.5% Pacific, 11% emerging markets, and 0.2% Middle East. This fund has an expense ratio of 0.10%, which again basically means you're paying $10 per year for every $10,000 invested. The ticker symbol for that one is VTWAX. And let me end by something that Leonardo da Vinci said, and he was right about. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. So keep your investments as simple as possible with very low cost, low fees. You'll make a lot of money being very simple, not sophisticated. Thank you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section which funds that you invested in, and if you haven't started investing, please tell me why not.